From professional woodworker to business owner, here are 5 secrets to success. As a professional woodworker, you're skilled at your craft, and you take great pride in your work. You start with the best raw materials you can find, and you create top-notch products by using your fine woodworking skills. Quality is at the very core of everything you do. With such a solid foundation, you're well poised to succeed in business. Following are 5 tips, with a focus on finances, to help you transition from pro woodworker to successful business owner. Number 1, purchase stock materials and supplies responsibly. In business, the bottom line rules. That's why you must pay attention to every little cost, because they add up quickly. This means shopping around for supplies, in search of the best prices, prompt delivery, and terms that help you manage your cash flow. Number 2, itemize every element used to complete the products you build. Factor in all materials, including plywood, backer board, solid woods, veneers, or plastic laminates. Consider all metal hardware like screws, door hinges, drawer slides, handles, and locks. Gain a crystal clear picture of what each product costs in real dollars, both in terms of materials and labor. Number 3. Calculate your monthly overhead costs, and translate this total number into a cost per hour figure. When you include all overhead costs like rent, insurance, electricity, water, and anything else that applies, you know your real costs of operating your shop. Combine all these shop costs, including overhead, materials, and labor, and you'll have an accurate assessment of what it takes to produce each item you craft. Number 4, price for profit. In most markets, you'll need to pay close attention to your pricing. If margins are too low, your business will not be sustainable. And if you price products too high, they can be much more difficult to sell, particularly as you try to get your business established. Number 5, keep your actual cost per hour figure in mind at all times. This will serve as a constant reminder that once you're in business, expenses are ever present. So it's best to keep the shop humming with profitable orders. Knowing your hourly costs will help you determine, almost immediately, the suitability of incoming jobs. Not all woodworking projects are equal. And on some, you shouldn't even waste your time quoting. Keeping a close eye on your shop finances can go a long way towards your success. You'll have a huge advantage over competing shops that don't pay attention to finances, at least, to the same degree. To give yourself another huge advantage, starting today, I recommend clicking the link below in the description.